Team Wild Outfitters, your one-stop online shop for everything outdoors. Team Wild Outfitters has everything you need for your outdoor lifestyle. Visit us at teamwildoutfitters.com.
Welcome to Team Wild's Air Power. This week we're back in Texas, chasing sheep at the Texas Hunt Lodge. We've taken a variety of beautiful sheep off this ranch over the past few months, and we've helped with the management of the animals. Any sheep that have passed their prime or are struggling with their health have fallen to the mighty Benjamin Rogue 357 Big Bore Air Rifle. On a ranch like this, managing the herd is absolutely key. To keep the herds healthy, the weak and old need removing so that the young blood can add their strength to the gene pool and keep the bloodline healthy. Once again, it's the tried and tested Big Bore Behemoth that's the air rifle of choice for today. And again, it's ram management time. I head out across the Texan dirt looking for a good vantage point to stalk in from.
So, a little while ago we were stalking into a group of goats and we saw these sheep. And one of them, a really nice black one, it's got a broken off horn. And while we're out here, the owner asked me if it's possible for us to take him out. He's a pretty mature bull, ram on one side, but the other side's broken off. So if we can try and put a sneak on him, he's a Corsican ram, beautiful brown colour in the body, white belly. Plenty of cover here, so if we take our time, the wind's coming in the right direction, coming across from our right. So if we just take our time, we should be able to get in and get a shot. Okay, so you can see them there, they're 170 yards away. And a couple of them have laid down. So we know that they're relaxed. Now it's pretty open on the left hand side of us, but then there's some cover. So if we can dip into that cover, the wind's coming from the right hand side, we should be able to get down. Use the mesquite trees here as cover, although something spooked them. No, they're just playing. Okay, so we just need to try and get around if we can.
The group is just a little farther ahead and are feeding in the opposite direction. I just need to cover a little more ground to be in range for a shot.
We might even need to go a bit further around. Try and get into that stuff over there. Stay down and come left.
I creep ever closer, but a shot still isn't on the cards.
So, less than 100 yards now. There we go, they're behind the cedar now, so let's go in. Wait for them to move into the brush, move into the cedar. The wind's still good. So here they are, they're just moving into that cover. There's just a few stragglers to pick up now. Now just behind the trees, about to come into view. There's a blondie Corsican ram. And once they've disappeared into that cedar, we can head on just around from the left hand side. I think there's some sparse cedar here that we can use to come in.
I make one final push and get into a good position. The group are moving right to left in front of me. I pick my spot and fire.
Okay, so he's done and he's out. Let's get him out here and have a look. There's plenty of good lung blood on here, so we've hit him good in the lungs. Oh, nice Corsican ram. Oh, big in the body. And as you can see why they wanted to take him out, he's got a decent spread on one side, but he's broken off here on the other. And he's a bit of a fighter. You can see in his face here it's all gnarly and scarred up and nasty. This boy has had his fair share of fights. You can see from the blood coming out of his nose and mouth that it's a good double lung shot, which is one of the reasons he's gone down so quick, I'd imagine. It's also quite red, so I'd be interested to probably nick the top of the heart as well. So really pleased with the shot placement. Once again, he'd made his way from cover, so it gave us an opportunity to getting in position. We knew he was going to come out. We took the opportunity to take the shot. So really pleased. Great performance once again from the Benjamin Rogue 357 big bore airgun. Anybody that doesn't think this is capable of taking big game, well, we keep delivering proof to you time after time after time. So what we need to do now, we've walked a pretty long way, is try and get him back to the lodge. I have absolutely no idea where we are. Sometimes you can kind of get taken up in the moment, but once again, good hunt. Now we've got some work to do.
Another fantastic hunt in the heart of Texas with the Benjamin Rogue 357 big bore behemoth. To find out more about the Benjamin Rogue, visit crosman.com. Subscribe to Team Wild TV for the best hunting, airgun, gear and bow hunting videos on YouTube.